Okay, home repair contractors, let's talk about video quality, specifically audio when it comes to your videos and how to improve the audio. I'm going to give you 3 quick tips. Nothing will kill a great video faster than bad audio, so crackling, wind, things like that, or you can't even hear it. So the first tip is to make sure that you have some kind of a microphone other than the standard camera microphone or your phone microphone. I'm shooting this with my iPhone. I shoot all my videos with my iPhone because it's good quality and it does need to be polished because of what we're trying to do. So I am wearing, as you can see here, a little lapel microphone. Now when I'm filming with clients, I use a Boya little boom mic, little shotgun mic that I can plug right into my iPhone. And I highly recommend that you use something like this because you're going to cancel out other sounds, you're going to cancel out wind. And let's face it, home repair contractors, you're typically filming in or outdoors, and so you're going to have to deal with wind. You know, a lot of you roofers are on roofs, and so that's, you know, open wind. So make sure that you're investing in some kind of a lapel mic. And again, I use the this Boya microphone that you can get on Amazon. I use this when I film with clients because, let's face it, I don't want to share this lapel microphone with all my clients, and I'm sure they don't want to either. The next thing is you can easily adjust the microphone volume or the sound volume, the audio volume, in the iMovie app. And so you can do that easily. So if you don't project as well, then you can just go ahead and just raise that volume before you upload the video to either Facebook or to YouTube. And then thirdly is you just want to control as much as you can. Again, these kind of microphones, the lapel and the shotgun mics, they're going to cancel out a lot of the wind. But let's face it, on a really windy day, it's going to be tough to cancel all that out. So make sure that you're not filming on a super windy day. If you have to, you know, we can make it out. But again, people are just going to turn off your video if they can't hear what you're saying. So make sure that you're being mindful of that. So if you're thinking, you know what, that's great, but I don't want to go out and buy these products, I don't have time to do this myself, can you just do it for me? Absolutely. I would love to talk with you about doing videos like this for your Facebook page and your email list. If that's interesting to you, you can hit me up at mario@marketwithmario.com.